It's the same thing. Hmm. All right, so let's get started with keyframes. I'm gonna size this down. Change the border, size it down. We don't gotta use the border. We can use the width and the height, but I don't want to do that. I would transform, and we can. So what we can do, we could go here. We can have the size be like that throughout, And what we're really gonna mess with is just the aspect here and the position. So we're gonna click this button and it's gonna give us an orange diamond. That's a keyframe. If you go to your inspector, if you don't have your inspector, you just go up here, open it up, and we're gonna also keyframe the aspect. So I'm gonna go. See, I'm gonna go 10. Let's go 10 frames, and I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm gonna change the aspect right there. Bring it right back up. Put the aspect back. And ooh, what I can do is you can move this over here. And you see, it's just bouncing. But it's not, we gotta make this smoother, more regular, So let's come here. So right now I have it actually only selected, but if you have more tools, that's what I would say. Click these three buttons, go to show only selected tool. It's better that way. Let's open this up. There's multiple ways we can do this. So this center displacement, you see this green line? Is that if I go here and then you see this, boom. It's all just where the ball is going to on the transform. And the aspect is basically how how wide it is. So let's go here. Just grab everything and hit F. And there you go. Little bouncing ball effect. But I feel like this bouncing ball is too slow for me, Not the aspect part. So we're just gonna click. If you click it, you can still see the spline, but so I want to speed this up. So we're just gonna go up. And then I'm gonna push this over here like that. And then so now we just get this. But I don't think I want that. Looks pretty cool. It could be like a loop or something, but it's too quick, too quick. So what you really want to do is make it kind of round. but you just don't want to make this too high. Think, because all right, and then let's see. There you go. It's more like a logo animation. But that's happening too slow for me. So what we can do, we can go here and we just click this right here, time stretch, and we just push it in together. And that moves the keyframes. And it basically shortens the time. It keeps the keyframes, but it shortens the time. Or you can expand it. But you know what? We gotta add some more to this. It's pretty boring. So I'm gonna go here and add some motion blur. Just crank the quality up and I'm gonna shutter speed to like around 200 and 300. Oof, and there you go. Okay, so then after that, right? We'll go we'll go right back to OBS. We'll stop recording